Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2015 Ram 1500. This is a quad cab. It also has a 6-foot 4-inch bed. This is granite metallic in color, and it's a bighorn. It has your chrome bumpers, chrome wheels. Very nice, clean truck, one owner. Clean Carfax. It will be a certified vehicle with only 50,000 miles on it. You have your power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic headlights, cruise control, the nice large 8.4-inch screen, AM/FM satellite radio. It does have the center console, and you do have power seats on the driver's side, two-way lumbar. Very nice vehicle. Please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. Very nice truck, and it won't last.